Live from San Diego, this is KUSI News.
It was a day of service Friday as students joined forces with Feeding San Diego to support their community.
Students from Country Montessori School of Poway stepped in to help pack thousands of pounds of food for families in need. This effort comes as food insecurity remains high in San Diego, where 1 in 6 children face hunger. Volunteers are also encouraging the public to donate peanut butter, one of the most needed items.
The whole school, all 150 of our students participate. We originally wanted to get at least one peanut butter jar for every kid. We ended up with over 300 jars that we'll be donating today. And then we have 63 kids and about 20 adults coming. We're going to give 2 hours of their time to help donate their help here at Feeding San Diego. So we're really grateful for the partnership with Feeding San Diego and that our kids can be a part of this really impactful event.
That is awesome. Look at all those kiddos getting involved. Last year, students also volunteered by sorting food, an effort that helped feed the equivalent of 63,000 people each week.